لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله.
And again going further, because Islam is from the very Allah who created us, and there is this harmonious relationship, in Islam, Allah has made 1,000 avenues to reach Him. Because as humans, we are wired differently. This is how our makeup is. Some by nature are passive, are submissive, are docile. Others are not. So we have a variety in our makeup. So Allah has given us variety of actions to reach Him. Some people, they cannot exert themselves in worship. But the man's just got an easy demeanor. He's smiling, he's warm, he's got a loving embrace. So Allah said, yeah, smile. Even smile takes you to Jannah. Then others are such, they might not be so diligent in other aspects, but he's just got the selfless nature. So in the neighborhood, he's active, he's mobilizing, he's rallying. 2 o'clock in the morning, you call him. Allah said, yeah, very good, be good to your neighbor, your Jannat is done. So humans have been wired differently. The Sharia has created an opening for all of us within our makeup. Find the action that resonates with you. Tap into it, run with it, it will walk you into Jannah. I'm not advocating negligence on the mandatory. Let me qualify my action, my statement. I'm not saying become heedless, negligent, and oblivious. No, you got to do the fundamentals. But everybody has a certain passion. Take your passion and run with it. Run with your passion, and that will walk you through. I always say, people board a common class in an aircraft. First class, business, or economy. You enjoy the same perks, but everybody pays a different price. Hey, what you paid? I booked early. Wow, you got it for a steal. You? No, my brother works for the airline. So I just paid 25%. Oh, you? No, I had miles sitting, so I redeemed my miles. So every person in that same class got a different narrative to enjoy that seat. Every occupant of Jannah will enter through the mercy of Allah. But every dweller will have a different story which will attract Allah's mercy to get him in there. Hey, how you got in here? Allah told me, I just loved how you used to greet your mother. Go. You, what happened? No, one day I seen a dog walking around and sniffing. So I just got off my car and I gave it water. Allah said, hey, the way you did that, go Jannah. And these are hadith. I'm not shooting from my hip. This is the beauty. The human makeup and the teachings of Islam, totally harmonious.
Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar. Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar.